it's Miss Ariana. I wanted to do a project with you that all you need are a couple of magazines or newspapers or even some photographs, paper and glue, and of course some scissors. So during this time, during COVID, it's hard to see people that we love and that we care about, but we still want to have things around that remind us of them. So what I did was I missed my dad. I haven't seen him in a while, and when I do get to see him, it's from a distance and with masks usually. So I went through, it's his birthday next week, so I went through some magazines and I pulled out some pictures of things that make me think of him, and I'm gonna give it to him for his birthday so he knows that I'm thinking about him. So he loves ice cream. So I'm just gonna put that in the middle of my page as kind of a background. And then I went through and I just had fun looking at the magazine and seeing different pictures. So ice cream, he loves dogs, so I got some pictures of dogs. I'm just gonna make a collage that reminds me of my dad. He loves to read, so I cut out some pictures of books that I'm gonna glue on. Got some other pictures of books. And you could do this for friends. You could do this for family. I saw these words, it says family ties. So I think I'll put that on for my dad. And I kind of just put it across the top. I'll show you. So it's just making a collage with things that remind me of my dad. He has a garden, so I'm going to put some flowers in for his garden that he works so hard on when it's nicer weather out. Right now, he's doing a project for me that involves painting. He's refinishing some furniture for me. So here is a paintbrush because he's doing that project. And I found the word love. So I'm going to put that on so he knows I love him. Here's another one. So it was really fun to look through the magazine and find things that reminded me of him. He was an accountant before he retired, so I found some money. And so I'm going to put that on. And I found this funny picture of Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs because we call him Grumpy. And Grumpy's right there, so I'm going to put that on. And he always taught me to look on the bright side of things. So let me show you what I got. It really made me feel closer to him by looking through the magazines and finding things that reminded me of him, even though I can't be with him right now. So here's my collage for my dad, and I'm going to give it to him for his birthday. So have some fun. Look through some magazines, and you can make these for your friends, for your neighbors, for your parents, cousins, and you could even mail it to them if you want to show them how much you're thinking of them. Have fun. I'll see you next time.